My name is Girija Kailasam. I'm from Chennai. I retired from bank. I had a Swamiji's experience in 2008. I used to see Swamiji every now and then. And whenever I come, I'll say, I want to talk to you, Swamiji. I want to talk to you, Swamiji. He will say, you come next time or stay. And I never stay. I'll go back, but every time I'll say, I wanted to complete with you, Swamiji, complete. In this January, when I came here, when we both met Swamiji, I and my husband met Swamiji. He was so simple and so friendly. As if my son, I'm talking with my son, I never thought that he's such a big Shiva and he's an incarnation. I felt he's so easily talking and it was so impressive. The whole week I was just enjoying the talk. And I thought, why I had so much incompletion with Swamiji? He's so nice, he's talking so intimately. Then I went home. Within 2 days, somebody told we want to conduct a program. We said, okay, we conduct house is okay. One day we conduct NDV. The next 2 days, Swamiji has gifted with such a big deities, such a big Nataraja, Shivagami, Murti, everything is coming in a big lorry and staying in my hall. I was so surprised, what is happening? Because in this thing I said, I'm in retirement life, I wanted to spend a spiritual life. Wherever I wanted to be, I want to lead my rest of my life in a spiritual way. This was happening without even asking, it was just happening. How it is happening? Within 3 days, Prana Pratishtha over, everything over, it has become a temple. My house has become a temple. Everybody started coming and it so nicely we were resonating. And we never used to get up at 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock and all. Every time I am getting in 3 o'clock, my husband is getting at 4 o'clock, and we used to pluck the flowers and we used to do puja. We started reading the satsangs. Everything we are doing in the morning hours, the life has completely changed. Whatever I do a prasadam for Swamiji. If Swamiji is with me, I never move from the hall, I always be with this. And one other thing, what I wanted to share is, in this inner awakening, it is really happened because of Swamiji. I never thought it will happen for us, because both of us, whenever we thought after 60, what is going to do in inner awakening? What we are going to do after getting an inner awakening experience? This is enough to be retired life. When we spoke about the Varanasi experiences, then I thought, after we are satisfied with we attend everything, let us have mukti. Let us have, Swamiji asked, I want a mukti in Varanasi. Swamiji said, after enlightenment, you should not get a mukti. You must enlighten other people. This is what you have to do. Then I accepted that. When I said, I want my husband to come. Immediately blessed us, my husband also to join with me in this inner awakening. In the inner awakening, we both are attending. And in our life is fully complete with all the wealth, health, everything we are fully completed. And we had every fortunate have a good children, good and spiritual life, everything. What is else I needed? When I thought that, but whenever I talk with my husband, we both will have a good understanding, both are good individually. When we both together we talk, we'll have some end up in argument. Each one will correct in their own way. Each one is correct. Why it is happening? We are both, I say I'll correct, he'll say he is correct. Why both of us are correct, and why it argument comes? We never found a solution. When he came to the inner awakening, the first day itself, inauguration, I felt that it is like we have come to the Kailaya with the dancing with the Shiva. He was so nice. We all had enjoyed the first day. Inauguration itself came to me like a bliss. And the incompletions, when I started the incompletions, when I wrote that whatever the incompletions and the root pattern, everything I wrote in a full book. Whatever I had a great and everything I wrote in a book. When I completed with him and completed with us, and on the day, night itself, I couldn't have anything in my mind. It was fully over. It was, he cleaned all my garbages inside. It was pure. And next day he said he has just put the Shiva experience in me. He said, you are Shiva. You live like Shiva. You radiate like Shiva. Who I thought, this is what we are expecting. This is what we are expecting. Swamiji gave so nice of it. And it was so blissful and so nice, Swamiji. It is so thankful for this. And another experience, whenever he was in the stage, as he said, he used to do like Vedic or all the Kadog Upanishad, everything. When he sits in the class, he's like a friend. Everybody having a tea with him, or everybody is having their own, say, Swamiji with them. He feels as if we are, and we used to ask so many questions, even stupid questions we used to ask. He used to laugh and tell lot of anecdotes and lot of stories in between, make us so bliss and happy. In the 20 days, we never thought, never day, night, or anything we could feel in this. We forget the whole world, and we was with the Swamiji. Now I feel very bad that I return that, what will be going to happen? And Swamiji must bless me, help me to radiate this energy everywhere in the center. I must bring my center exactly like a world one. And one more thing I must thank Swamiji, I was really proud of it. The Swamiji, when he told, I give a Jnanatma is in the sannyasi, this thing, I'm so proud of that. Swamiji has gifted this life, and I never must have given any other life better than this. When he said he is my daughter, I cried. I never, Kundali, never again. When he said all my things are broken, and cried like anything. This is a really blissful. Swamiji, thank you, Swamiji, for this.
You might have noticed that in the recent tsunami, certain parts of the Japan has emerged from the sea. Like that, Swamiji has shown us a tip of iceberg, that is inner awakening and blindfold reading. It's only a tip of the iceberg. So many things are behind it. And with the grace of Swamiji, Swamiji will give us the outcome of this will bring out all these those things which have been hidden in the behind certain things. And sooner or later, we will be getting all those information from Swamiji, I hope. And for us, for me, he is a religious tsunami, and he may bring so many things from inherited from the which has been hidden for so many years by those people who are against Hinduism. Now the time has come, and we have to support Swamiji in all aspects, whether it is by mind, or by money, or by body, or by some other sources. That is what I feel in this occasion. Thank you very much for giving us.
I'm so glad to have my Purvashram parents on stage and my father and mother, Swamiji, here.
We are gifted.
We are
gifted to give us such a birth of our daughter, not that we are gifted. Both of us are gifted. And with Swamiji's blessing, really, it never happens.
At this junction, I feel that I got only one daughter to hand over to Swamiji. Had I been some more daughter and some more sons, it would be a great pleasure for me to hand over them for religious purposes.